Well, one of the questions is what happened with mortgage applications after the last Fed meeting?
Yeah, that's a yeah, I kind of chuckle at that because right after the Fed meeting, when they did drop the Fed funds rate 0.5%, it was interesting how the markets and particularly the financial media grabbed onto that as a sign that we're now going to start a good positive trend of decreasing rates in the near to mid future, and that was going to create a boom, in particular on the refi side, a new refi boom because of what the Fed action, because of the Fed action that did occur. Well, one of the things about the mortgage market is it really is extremely interest rate sensitive. And so what's happened is after the media was pointing out that right before the Fed meeting, mortgage applications were up somewhat on the purchase side, but in particular on the refi side, because of all the enthusiasm about, okay, we've hit the plateau and we're now going to be riding that downhill ski slope type of a trend where mortgage rates are going to keep falling and falling and falling. And so now's the time to refi, and we're going to be, being hit with a big refi boom. Well, since the Fed announcement, and when those bond yields moved up and therefore mortgage rates moved up, it's completely changed the picture. Mortgage applications now, since the Fed meeting in mid-September, have actually dropped quite a bit. Overall, I mean, to the tune of like 20-25%, all because of the fact that after that Fed meeting, long-term mortgage rates did not continue to go down. They actually reversed direction. They've gone up. And again, the mortgage market is extremely interest rate sensitive. So there's almost always a direct correlation to where that move occurs or where it occurs in terms of how much, and then what happens to applications. And we've definitely seen that. In fact, if I want to sort of use a exaggerating adjective that I see the media do all the time, some would write that mortgage applications have plunged since the Fed announcement. I think it's a little bit of an overstatement, but it is true that mortgage applications have fallen a little bit significantly since the announcement.